Alright, I had some people asking about my truck turbo. The only thing I don't like is the wastegate is here. I need to put it way higher. I need to put it higher somewhere there, but it's not much room. And you got the downpipe there, you know, and with all the hoses. Anyway. Got the return right there. And I got the intercool there. I made a bracket to hold it. Bolt top and bottom, a couple of brace, bolt right to the frame. Cha-cha. So, pretty easy to do. The only thing I regret is to not have put that gate higher, right? Because it's not the best. So a 7-pound spring give me 13 psi full blast, so it's not very efficient. Royal Purple Oil always looked dirty. They didn't have my Lucas last time, so I just took whatever they had. Alright. Write the date on it, right? You never know. Nope. There's a calendar in the computer. It tells me when to change it. So I do not write. I do not write the date. Not on that one. Doo-doom, doo-doom. Doo-doom, doo-doom. You gotta love the engineer. Sometimes, you know, they make it good. As long as they don't work at Ford. Alright, time to put oil in it. All right. Turbocharger protection in turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine, as well as proven performance in hybrid. I don't care. Turbocharger protection. And I'm not sure that one, I don't think it has the anti-foaming, but I use the other one that get the anti-foaming agent too on my race car. So it's the racing one, they put an anti-foaming agent so it doesn't foam, right? So when you rev high for a long time, you don't have to worry about foaming, because it'll kill the pressure, it'll kill your engine, that foaming, right? So there we go. That's what's going in, Lucas. Bloop, 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 bloop. There we go.
Jesse and JD's weekend shift, 9 to 11 weekend mornings. CJ 92 rocks.
All right. So I resetted the oil life. That's my calendar. I don't write it on the oil filter because that's my calendar, you know. So I did 350,000 kilometers with it. I always did the oil change when the light came on. And never follow 5,000. I think it's over 10,000 click I do with it with an oil change. So, you know, average economy going down, probably because it's summer. All right. Perfect. Now we're talking. It's about 55 there. I always put good oil, good filter. The fucking thing runs like a top. I love that truck. And then we have that little 5.3 in the corner there. We're gonna rebuild. Little 5.3. I'm gonna rebuild and put in that truck soon. Stay tuned.